Hi, I'm Nicole with Beachtech. Today we're in Reno, Nevada at the Casbor All-Terrain Vehicles U.S. headquarters. Beachtech is only one of several different brands produced by Casbor. We're also home to Piston Bully, the world's #1 snow grooming equipment, Power Bully, our utility track carrier line, SnowSat, our GPS and satellite system, Pro Academy, our snowcat operations training program, and K Composites, our component manufacturing. Beachtech was born in 1991. With devastating oil spills and unimaginable amounts of trash being washed up and dumped on our beaches, there was an obvious need for industrial beach cleaning. Our lift and sift technology is what makes the Beachtech 2000 so effective.
But what is lift and sift?
I'm so glad that you asked. At the front of the machine, you'll find a tine shaft and a pickup blade. The pickup blade works exactly like a shovel, capable of cutting 10 inches below the surface. It lifts up the base material and debris onto the screen to be separated. Now the tines act as a rake, tilling, aerating, and propelling larger debris onto the screen. The rotating screen conveys the debris up to the hopper while allowing the base material to return to the ground. Fit with 3 rows of eccentric rollers, these dissimilar shaped discs create an uneven jostling of the screen, optimizing the separation of base material from the debris. Only Beachtech offers both tines and a pickup blade, each with independent depth control, allowing the operator to choose between raking, sifting, or a combination of both. Besides removing rocks, plastic waste, and cigarette filters, Beachtech's lift and sift technology has also been proven to reduce E.coli by churning the wet ground material and exposing it to sunlight. The Beachtech 2000 is an agile and efficient tow-behind unit. It requires a 75 horsepower tractor, a 540 PTO, and a simple 12-volt power source. This machine has a 6-foot working width, a 10-inch working depth, and a hopper dump height of 8.5 feet. Depending on your sifting needs, we offer a variety of different screen sizes. We're able to pick up debris from the size of a BB to a beach umbrella. Beachtech offers dedicated service and support. With factory service locations all over North America, mobile OEM certified technicians, and live technical support available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Beachtech is here for you. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to everything Beachtech. And if there's any content you'd like to see, post it in the comments below. Why?
You ready?
Yeah.
You pumped?
I am.
Okay, go.
Okay. Depending on your sifting needs, I'm trying.
I know.
Trying. Okay.
This is good energy.
Okay. A 540 PTO,